morning dear student, this is the grammar class of 8th standards. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 14th lesson. Our lesson name is adjective clause or clauses. Okay, remember this. Today we are going to learn one question related with adjective clause. Look here dear students, underline the adjective clause. Underline the adjective clauses in the following sentences. We want to underline the adjective clauses and separate them from the main clause. हमें क्या करना है कि main clause से adjective clause को separate करना है to underline करके. Okay? Now look here. Rome, which is renowned for its architecture, is a famous city. Renowned means प्रसिद्ध असली में. First example, Rome, which is renowned for its architecture, is a famous city. We want to underline the adjective clause. Okay, separate the adjective clause from here, which is renowned for its architecture, is a adjective clause. Remember this. This is a adjective clause. And the remaining, Rome is a famous city, is a main clause. In second example, he is my tenant who refused to pay his rent on time. Tenant means भाड़ेकरी. Okay, भाड़ोतरी. He is my tenant who refused to pay his rent on time. We want to identify the adjective clause in this example. Who refused to pay his rent on time. It is a adjective clause. It is a adjective clause. Remember this. Okay. And he is my tenant is a main clause. Okay, underline part is adjective clause and without underline part is a main clause. Okay, next, it is a possible to find a hotel that has low prices and high quality service. In this example, we can easily understand from that, look here, that has low prices and high quality service is a adjective clause because it gives more information about this noun that hotel. Okay, hotel is a noun and it gives more information that has low prices and high quality services, and so that it is a adjective clause. Okay, next example, name the writer who was named the Homer of England. In this example, name the writer. It is a main clause, and who was named the Homer of England. It is a adjective clause. Adjective clause. Remember this. Okay. And name the writer. Noun is writer. For this writer, they use this adjective clause who was named the Homer of England. Okay, it is a noun, writer. Next example, the Durian Estate is a place where one can buy all types of furniture. In this example, from here, where one can buy all types of furniture. This is an adjective clause. Adjective clause. We can easily identify with the help of these conjunctions. Okay, we learned that in last period, starting of where. That means conjunctions we start the adjective clause. Okay, look here. Place. Place is a noun. It is a noun, and for that noun, it describes where one can buy all types of furniture. It is an adjective clause. म्हणजे या नामाबद्दल हे सर्व समोरील शब्द हे काय करतात, विशेष माहिती सांगतात, डिस्क्राइब करतात, म्हणून हा कुठला क्लॉज आहे, adjective clause. Now next, this is not the America that our forefathers had shed their blood for. In this example, this is not the America. It is a main clause, and the remaining part, that our forefathers had shed their blood for, it is a adjective clause. According to question, we only separate the adjective clause from the main clause. okay, that our forefathers had shed their blood for. It is an adjective clause, and this is not the America, this is a main clause. This noun America is a noun, okay. Now next example, it is a wiser to set for yourselves only those targets which you can actually achieve. In this example, from here, those targets which you can actually achieve. This is an adjective clause. This is an adjective clause, and the remaining part, it is a wiser to set for yourself only. It is a main clause. हा मुख्य वाक्य, हे मुख्य वाक्य आहे आणि खालचं जे आहे ते adjective clause. Remember this, okay? Main clause and adjective clause. And you can easily understand with the help of this conjunction, those, okay? That means starting of adjective clause. Next, Arena is the girl who is strong enough to face real competition. In this example, Arena is the girl, it is a main clause, and who is strong enough to face real competition is a adjective clause. Is a adjective clause. Okay, now the next and last one, attitudes that are negative cause pitfall for their bearers. In this example, from that are negative, this is a adjective clause, and remaining attitudes cause pitfall for their bearers, it is a main clause. This is a adjective clause. I hope you can easily identify the adjective clause with the help of the given conjunctions. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.